it's me, and today, as you can see, I changed my Fox's eye color to green instead of black, because, you know, it's the holidays, we gotta be merry and happy. So, yeah, hold on a second. Okay, so we're in my township, and there's this new thing in Animal Jam called Host Your Own Party, and so I really, kind of wanted to do it. So let's get on with it. So I've got up the parties tab, and I'm ready to, host a party. So let's get on with it. Closer. Host your own party. Then it's got their own little, bestie thing right here, so yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on it, see what it brings. Wow. Oh my gosh, you see, it costs a diamond up here. I have a good few diamonds. I've got 2 diamonds, so I can host 2 parties. I'm going to make it last an hour. It says host party right here, which is what we click after. Host party! Anyway, let's get on with it, so let's name it. Right now it's Epic Animal Alliance. And I don't want it named that, so I'm going to change it. So what I did was I named it Epic Alpha Beta because I thought that looked awesome. So let's choose our play. So right here it shows us if we want to change it or whatever, just to be cool. And let's get on with it. Oh. I'm almost done. Can I just have a minute? So, can you be, completely quiet? Anyway, oh my gosh, I forgot to pause the camera. Anyway. I just named it Fantasy Star Birthday. I mean, because look at this thing. It's like a birthday cake. I mean, look, we got the top. Got the mid. And we got the bottom. Then we got the little chick, boop, the balloons, and I think now we're gonna host it. It's asking me to host this party for 1 diamond. I believe I will. Oh my gosh, we just hosted the party! Let's get on with this flipping. Oh my gosh, it's in the newsfeed. Fantasy Star Birthday. Ah! I've got my first player. Oh my gosh! I've got 3 people in here! I got another! People are actually coming to my party! Wow! Oh my gosh! There's another person. It's a penguin. He's so cute. Here we are. We're still... And here we are. Because so many people are at my party. Guys, I'm sorry, guys, but I have to go. I will see you again in my next video. In my next video, I will be doing, cool stuff, visiting my new party and stuff. After this video, I'm going to be visiting my party. So anyway, I love jammers and confront me. So yeah, bye.